Alright guys, it is late, getting ready to go to bed soon. Chris is pulling up actually. We're camping right now outside of Apple Valley Speedway. That's because we are drifting tomorrow. I am hosting an event for the first time, like fully just myself. So I was able to get like 15, 16 drivers, so it should be pretty cool. I'm excited, and we're gonna get right into it in the morning. It's late, it's cold. Chris is barely showing up right now. I got Kat here right now. Alex with his 240 is in the pits because he got here early enough. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna go have fun tomorrow. We got a lot of people coming that aren't drifting. It's just gonna be a lot of people hanging out, having fun.
Yeah, go. Jeez.
Nice.
Oh my, tell me before you burn my eyebrows off.
Wait, why are they like burnt?
They're toasty. I like the toasty ones.
She got toasted, like burnt.
Toasty.
She got burnt Cheez-Its.
Those are the best.
You could just throw them out. You could have just threw them in the fire. It wouldn't even matter.
Stop.
See if we don't freeze in this to death tonight, and then we will see you all in the morning. Well, we did indeed freeze last night. It got really cold. I woke up this morning, checked out what it was. It's 32 degrees, so it's definitely cold. But I am beyond stoked right now. I'm super excited. I'm seeing on everyone's Instagram stories, oh yeah, on the way to the track. Like I'm hyped. I'm excited. It's gonna be super fun. It's just fun having all your friends, like people that you know, like coming is cool. I'm excited. It should be cool. The sun looked amazing this morning, so I'm gonna just show you guys some videos of that while I go pack up everything and get ready to roll into the pits.
Up here at the Apple Valley Speedway. Going to be doing some drifting today, so you know, check it out. Happy birthday, Bash boy!
Oh my gosh! All
Got
right,
you cupcakes.
Yeah,
Cupcakes.
And the whole fam is here, even Kona.
Cupcakes, teriyaki chicken, fried rice.
Yeah.
Dang!
Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. 3 loudest cars on the track.
Just drift, buddy.
Oh, I gotta get a picture.
Oh, I see, yeah. Tie rod is straight snapped off. Dang, yeah, I see it now.
Want to take a picture of you on it with it?
Oh, me?
Wait, is it your car now?
No, it's not my car. I
This,
wasn't
the other
driving either.
buddies.
Who was driving?
The guy who just went to go get it.
Oh, my bad. I'm bad with
Are you putting that in your video?
Yeah, duh.
it.
Duh. Clickbait. Everybody crash, guys. I was playing. It's going fantastic so far, as you can see. It's going great. No, actually, it looked like he was doing pretty good. I think he might have just gripped up on the way out there. I don't know. That was cool though. It's cool to watch.
He's rock crawling.
Sucks,
Did you
though.
see it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay.
Got the whole cleanup crew.
You gotta get out of your car and get a picture.
Yeah, you gotta be like Scooter Chris.
The whole crew, dude. That's funny.
Stop.
It's a reaction thing.
I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm gonna sit here quiet and do nothing.
Well, that's lame.
You want me to scream?
What?
You want me to scream?
No.
I won't scream. I may curse. Woo! It's so low, Isaac. You know
Yeah, I
your
know,
car
it's
is
weird,
so
huh?
low.
And that's not even like a low seat.
It's funny. Obey the rules of the road,
Okay.
Isaac. Got it, baby, go!
Ready?
Go!
I can't do this part. It's too hard.
Just kidding. That was good, Isaac.
What's going on?
Let's go.
How's that? Pretty fun.
High five. That was badass. Oh. Wait, why are we not driving by?
Yeah, I don't know. He just kept going.
Oh.
Ready?
Sure. Isaac, I'm so excited.
Are you?
Yes.
Want to go slower or faster?
I don't care.
All right, we're going straight for it.
Okay. We're going for it! What am I expecting on this?
Fly around and be all crazy.
Can you do the first one like a bit slower?
I'll go slow for a little bit and then we'll get faster.
Okay, yeah. Sounds good. Woo! Yeah! Whoa! How do you not like feel like you're gonna tip over? Yeah!
All right, you ready?
Was that good or I don't know what's good and what's bad. That was so fun, Isaac.
Isn't it so fun?
Yeah.
It's like the best feeling ever.
Oh yeah, no, it's so weird. Like you just feel yourself falling,
weird,
but like it feels like you're gonna tip, but you're not.
It's so fun. It's like the coolest feeling.
Nothing like I've ever felt before. It's kind of cool.
What's up, guys? We are back from Apple Valley Speedway. We just had an awesome event with this thing. Awesome event with a lot of cool people. Some of the best driving I've ever done. I finally am getting everything to kind of like click and it's just coming together. And I'm really happy with how I was driving and how everyone else was driving and just how the car felt overall. The main issues I was having was the power steering was just boiling over the top of the reservoir because it was getting so hot with the angle kit and stuff. But I have this cooler, so I'm gonna go ahead and order some lines up and get that installed. But I appreciate everyone that came out. I didn't actually record a ton, which sucks because it was like the best driving I've ever done. But you know, it was just so good of an event that I was just so in the moment, not really paying attention to it. So I'll be asking some people, see if I can get some video, enough to make a video. I know I have enough like vlog stuff for a video, I think. But the actual driving aspect of it, I don't think I got that much, to be honest. But I'll see what I have and I'll put this video out for you guys. It might be great, it might be bad, we'll see. But I appreciate you sticking around, appreciate you subscribing. If you came to the event, hope you had a great time. I know I did.